Welcome to ebook of the BrokenCap Coaching Institute. In this ebook you will get some important terms from your examination point of view.
Chemistry Class 10th, Part 1. Carbon and its Compounds. By the BrokenCap Coaching Institute and Kawarthi Raj Srivastava. Note, all terms are described to its best. If you find any error in this ebook, mail us at thebrokencap@gmail.com or send WhatsApp message on 800536408/8922996948. Terms related to carbon and its compounds. Hydrocarbons, compounds containing hydrogen and carbon, is called hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbon, the hydrocarbons that contains only single bond in their structure, are called saturated hydrocarbons. Unsaturated hydrocarbons, the hydrocarbons that contains 2 or 3 bonds in their structure, are called unsaturated hydrocarbons. Alkane, the only group that is saturated hydrocarbon. In this group, the structure found to be bonded by single bond only. Ane is the suffix used in compounds of this group. Common formula for this group is CnH2n+2, where N is number of carbon atom. Example: methane, CH4, ethane, C2H6, propane, C3H8, etc. Alkene. Alkene is unsaturated hydrocarbons group where double bond is found in structure of their compounds. Ene is the suffix used in compounds of this group. Common formula for this group is CnH2n. Example: ethene, C2H4, propene, C3H6, etc. Alkyne. Triple bond is formed in structure of this group. Ine is used in compounds of this group. Common formula for this group is CnH2n2. Example: ethene, C2H2, propyne, C3H4, etc. Alkyl. This group contains single bond only, just like alkane group, but one hydrogen is less than the alkane group. Example: methane, CH4, methyl, CH3, etc. I automated video lecture by the BrokenCap Coaching Institute. Thanks for watching this video. We will come back soon. Till then, subscribe our channel and share this video to your friends. This video is powered by Colorable Compilation Private Limited.